Prove that 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to n terms is equals to n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13 for all natural numbers. So let S of n be the given statement, which is 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to n terms. Here nth term is not given. We have to find the nth term. So here we have two series. So one is the series of numerator and the series of denominator. So first we will find the nth term of the numerator. So numerator is given as 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on up to n cube. This is the sum of natural numbers from 1 to n, sum of cubes of natural numbers from 1 to n. So we know that sum of cubes of natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. And the denominator is given as 1 plus 3 plus 5. So this is the arithmetic progression, or we can call it as the odd numbers. So the sum of odd numbers from 1 to n is n square. So the total nth term, is the nth term of the numerator divided by the nth term of the denominator. So which can be written as n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is the nth term of the numerator, and n square is the nth term of the denominator. So n square and n square will get cancelled. Here we have n plus 1 whole square by 4 as nth term. So first step, we have to prove that S of n is true for n is equals to 1. So substitute the value of 1 in the nth term, which is n plus 1 whole square by 4. So 1 plus 1 whole square by 4. 1 plus 1 whole square is 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Now RHS is, so substituting the value of S1 in place of n in RHS of the given statement, which is n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13. So 1 by 24 into 2 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 13. So 1 by 24 into 2 plus 9 plus 13, which is 24. So 24 and 24 will get cancelled and the answer is 1. Therefore LHS of S of 1 is equals to RHS of S of 1. Therefore S of 1 is true. Now assume that S of n is true for n is equals to k. So we can write the given series as 1 cube plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to kth term, which is k plus 1 whole square by 4 is equals to k by 24 is into 2k square plus 9k plus 13. Now we have to prove that the statement is true for n is equals to k plus 1. So for that we have to add the k plus 1th term on both sides. So we will find the k plus 1th term on the first. So kth term is k plus 1 whole square. K plus 1th term will be k plus 1 plus 1 whole square by 4, which is k plus 2 whole square by 4. Now we will add the k plus 1th term, which is k plus 2 whole square by 4 on both sides of the equation. So expand this k plus 2 whole square, that can be written as k square plus 2 square plus 2 into k into 2. So k square plus 4 plus 4k by 4. Adding this k square plus 4k plus 4 by 4 on both sides of the equation. Till here the equation is same. So here we are just adding the k plus 1th term on both sides. Now consider the RHS only, which is k into 2k square plus 9k plus 13 by 24 plus k square plus 4 plus 4k by 4. Here we have 24 and 4, so LCM will be 4. Now multiplying the numerator and denominator of the second term with 6 to make the common denominator. So we will get k into 2k square plus 9k plus 13 plus 6 into k square plus 4 plus 4k. Now multiplying this, 2 into 2k square will be 2k cube plus 9k into k is 9k square plus 13 into k is 13k. And 6 into k square is 6k square, 6 into 4 is 24 and 6 into 4k is 24k by 24. Simplifying this, we will have 2k cube plus 9k square plus 6k square is 15k square. And 13k plus 24k is 37k plus 24 by 24. Now this is a cubic equation. This will have 3 roots. So we will simplify this cubic equation using the trial and error method, so we know that -1 is one of the root. So using the synthetic division, we will resolve this. So writing the products of the terms 2, 15, 37 and 24. Now we are doing the synthetic division with -1, considering it as one root. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 times of -1 is -2. 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 times of -1 is -13. 37 minus 13 is 24. 24 times of -1 is 24, and plus 24 minus 24 is 0. So now k minus 1, transposing this -1 here, that will be k plus 1, and the quadratic equation will be 2k square plus 13k plus 24. Now this 2k cube plus 15k square plus 37k plus 24 can be written as k plus 1 into 2k square plus 13k plus 24. Now converting this square to this quadratic equation 2k square plus 13k plus 24 in the required format, we can split the middle term as 4k plus 9k, and the 24 can be splitted as 2 plus 9 plus 13. So 2k square plus 4k can be written as 2 into 2k plus 2 plus 9k plus 9 plus 13. So in this 9k plus 9, we can take 9 common, and in this first three terms we can take 2 common. So that will be k square plus 2k plus 1. So this is nothing but k plus 1 whole square. So we can write this as 2 into k plus 1 whole square plus 9 into k plus 1 plus 13. So 2k square plus 13k plus 24 can be written as 2 into k plus 1 whole square plus 9 into k plus 1 plus 13. So now comparing this with the given equation. So in place of n we have k plus 1, and 2n square we have 2 into k plus 1 whole square. 9n we have 9 into k plus 1. So this is true for n is equals to k plus 1. So s of k plus 1 is true. Hence by the principle of mathematical induction, s of n is true for all natural numbers.